Hello everyone, I am Michelangelo, I am from Florence and I'm trying to raise funds to grow my business. My work is inspired to polyhedrons. These forms have fascinated scientists, philosophers, mathematicians throughout history. Starting from Plato in ancient Greece, Archimedes, Leonardo da Vinci in the Renaissance, and many others. They all believed and tried to prove that the very essence of nature and the whole universe has the form of these solids. And they were not wrong. In fact, these solids are designed by mathematics. They're only discovered by humans. I think these objects have sort of a mysterious energy. Our minds are attracted by the symmetries that unconsciously we seek in everything we lay eyes on. However, we are so used to everything around us being flat and square, because most of the objects we are surrounded by are in the form of a box, a cube, that when we are presented with a shape that goes beyond the canonic 90 degrees angle, immediately we are attracted to it. I don't use computer-controlled machinery, laser cutting or any other piece of machinery that is not the classic woodworking tool. I work with solid wood, hardwoods. Generally, I like to use local wood from domestic trees. I don't use composite materials, such as plywood, because I want my products to be free of pollutants, chemicals. My job is to find the right proportions, the right angles, and conjugate everything with light. A handmade product that makes of originality its most important trait. The natural warmth of solid wood does the rest. Thank you very much for your support in the development of this project. I hope my business will help slowing the decline of the Florentine artisanal scene, threatened by mass production and distribution.